The Madison Children's Museum is ready for children to visit this summer, and along with that, some special times for toddlers. And here to tell us a little bit more about that is Sandra from the Children's Museum. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now tell us what you have lined up for toddlers this summer.
Well, starting this Monday, first of all, it is full-on summer for us. We go to our summer hours, which means that between Memorial Day and Labor Day, we are open on Mondays as well.
Okay.
Normally we're closed Mondays, so we're open 7 days a week in the summer.
Wow.
Lots of time. And then we're also creating times for our youngest visitors and their caregivers to have some quiet space in the museum for our wee ones, for our 5 and unders. And so on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we are opening at 8 a.m. for families with children 5 and under to come and play and explore in our lovely wilderness area and our first floor area. Our second floor and rooftop will not be open until our regular opening time of 9:30.
For the older kids.
But this creates an opportunity for our youngest visitors to have some private time in the museum together and for the families to connect with one another as well.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about some of the things that children will experience in this area. It is just something else.
It is one of my favorite places here. This space was specifically designed for our youngest visitors in the sense of where they are in their development, their growing immune systems. So we looked at creating a space that was not just safe emotionally and physically, but also for internally. So everything in this space is using natural products. Most of the things in our space are not from more than 100 miles of Madison, and we really use a lot of natural products and materials, like our fabric vegetables and breads are made from recycled sweaters. So they're all very natural, sensory, feeling things, but also we did enough research to understand that creating low toxic environments is the best thing for children and their growing immune system.
And this is even for non-walkers too. You have a separate area just for kids who aren't quite walking yet.
Yes, exactly.
And tell us about the water room.
Oh, the water dome is fantastic in the sense that kids love water play. There's just something inherently fascinating about it. So we keep an open-ended experience in our water dome. And what's nice is that the water keeps cycling through and it comes down over the roof and down these beautiful rain chains. But it goes through enough screens that the water has this really silky feel. So it just means that the water molecules have lined up so they're nice and smooth and they don't splash. It's a wet area, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't splash as much.
So a very tactile area. All of this happening now for this summer here at the Madison Children's Museum. So if you do have kids 5 and under, you want to come early on Tuesdays and Thursdays and enjoy this beautiful area. It's just gorgeous. Thanks so much, Sandra.
Thank you.